Hello, I'm Dr. Heidi, and welcome to week 4 of the 1,000-word challenge of 2019. I've decided I want to give these videos more of a classroom feel. That's better. This week, I'm going to teach you some nouns that can be made into adjectives by adding a Y to the end. As usual, we'll have two main parts. First, I'll give you the definitions for this week's words. Next, I'll show you a video story that uses these words so that you can see them in context. This week, the video story will star my new friend, Little Heidi. Stay tuned. Today I want to talk to you about changing a noun into an adjective by adding Y to the end. In most cases, the adjective meaning is close to the noun meaning. For example, something that is sandy has a lot of sand on it. You'll see some examples using your vocabulary words for this week. If the word ends in more than one consonant, you can usually just add Y. If it ends in just one consonant, you need to double the consonant. For example, fun and funny. I'll even show you an irregular example. Here are this week's words. Free, not limited in any way. Path, a track that is specially made for people to walk or ride on. Rock, the hard, solid material that the surface of the earth is made of, or a piece of rock. You can make an adjective out of this word by adding Y, rocky. Dirt, loose earth or soil. Dirty, not clean. Slip, to slide out of the proper position. You can make an adjective out of this word, but it's a little irregular. The adjective is slippery. Grass, plants that have narrow green leaves that are eaten by cows, sheep, etc., and that are commonly grown on lawns and in gardens. The adjective form is grassy. Smooth, having a flat, even surface, not rough, not having any bumps, ridges, or uneven parts. Mud, soft, wet dirt. You can make an adjective out of this word by adding Y, but you need to double the D, muddy. Sand, the very tiny, loose pieces of rock that cover beaches, deserts, etc. The adjective form is sandy. Little, small in size, or young or younger, or not lasting for a long time. Fall, to go down quickly from a high place or position. Walk, to move with your legs at a speed that is slower than running. Wet, covered or soaked with water or another liquid, not dry. Plane, a vehicle that has wings and an engine and that can carry people or things in the air. Crash, to hit something hard enough to cause serious damage or destruction. Along, in a line matching the length or direction of something. Fly, to move through the air with wings. Crazy, wild and uncontrolled, or very foolish or unreasonable. Careful, using care. Next up, we'll have a video story using these words, starring my new friend, Little Heidi. Little Heidi, would you like to go for a walk? Come out, little Heidi. Would you like to go for a little walk? Okay, here we go. Be sure to walk along the path. Uh-oh. What's this? All these rocks. Looks a little rocky. Keep going. Be careful. Ah, now it's smooth. Uh-oh, looks a little grassy. I think you should stay off the grass. Ah, that's better. What's this? Some sand from the beach? Uh-oh, be careful, little Heidi. That looks sandy and slippery. Don't slip or you'll fall down. Oh, there's some dirt on the path. Don't let your dress get dirty. Oh no, now it's getting wet. Look at all the mud. Careful you don't get muddy. And now, what's this, little Heidi? What are you doing? You can't fly a plane. Are you crazy?
'Cause I'm as free as a bird now.
You are not as free as a bird. Oh no, little Heidi, the plane is going to crash. Now you're in free fall. Are you okay? Okay, well, how was your walk, little Heidi? Oh no, little Heidi, you're all dirty and muddy and wet, and there's sand in your hair, and I think you hurt yourself in that crash. I told you not to get on that plane. Okay, that's it for this week. I hope you learned a lot about how to add y to the end of a noun to make an adjective like rocky, sandy, dirty, muddy. And go to our course website. We have all the vocabulary words and the definitions, and I've got a worksheet for you can download and do puzzles and activities. Use your words in the comment section below. Ask each other questions, start a conversation, and come back next week for 20 more words. Thank you. Ah, that's better. What's this?